Hello guys, welcome back. This is actually our last tutorial, which we are going to be doing binary addition, and lastly the most important one, choose complement. Basically, before we can start, you must know some rules in binary addition. The first one is you must know that 1 is equals to 10, 1 is equals to 11, 0 is equals to 1. When you know those, you can actually solve it just as easy as possible. So right now in this side we are having 6 bytes. So it's going to be 1, 0, 1. I think I'm 14. The other side is 1, 0, 1. As you can see here, I'm not actually doing anything. I just copy them and put them in the way that I can actually add them. So the first thing is 1 plus 1. The answer is 10. I write 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, the answer is 1. 1 plus 1, the answer is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, the answer is 11, you write 1, you carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, the answer is 11, you write 1, you carry the 1. 1 plus 1, the answer is 10, you write it. This is your final answer. If you did not actually see how I did that, you can pause the video and try it by yourself. So right now I'll be doing the second step, which is choose complement. I'll be taking this answer and converting it to choose complement. So, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to simply just write the answer the way it is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So, in choose complement, the first thing you must do is you must actually start by introducing k to your binary question. So it's gonna be k, 2, open bracket, copy the way it is, and close the brackets. Then the second step is you change the ones to zeros, zeros to ones. Actually, you are doing opposite of what you wrote in the brackets. So the second step is gonna be change this 1, it's gonna be 0, the 0 is gonna be 1, 1 is gonna be 0. 1 is going to be 0, 0 is going to be 1, 1 is going to be 0, 0 is going to be 1. Then after, before you can actually say this is your final answer, you add 1. When you add the 1 to your equation, the rules still apply. There's still the rules on the binary addition. You're going to say 1 plus 1. The answer is 10. Write 0, you carry the 1. 1 plus 0, the answer is 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. This is actually your answer. Then it will depend if on the question, when you add these two things are positives. In a positive problem, in a binary addition, your answer must actually end up with a 0. If this were minus, then the answer was going to have a 1. So right now, I must actually count how many B's do I have? So I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since this is a positive thing, I can still write the zeros, but still they don't make any difference. You can even stop by this 0. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to our channel. Tomorrow we'll be doing seconds and truth tables. So you can ask any question down below on the comment section, or you can just contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Peace.